Do you sell private calls? I don't really like selling my time. If you're someone that's like, bro, I'll say this right now. If you're inside of EK, I'm happy to do a private call with you because you're inside of my private group, my private network, my private community. So by me doing a call with you, it's going to improve the community as a whole. It's going to improve your experience in the group. You're just going to then be able to impart that information to other members, and it makes the whole community better. If I do a private call and a paid private call with someone outside of EK, then they're not going to share that information with anyone else. They're not going to improve my community, which is what I care about. So I do it, but typically I charge upwards of $750 per hour. I do a few of them a month. I don't do many of them. Most of the time I'll deny it. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.